Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Kelsey. Thank you so much for joining me today. It is like the middle of my day right now. I just came home from work. I have not filmed in probably like at least 2 weeks. It's raining outside. It's just like, it's been a weird day, but I was trying to get this video out the last few days and I could not find my SD card for my camera, which if you know anything about cameras, or maybe you know barely anything about cameras, it's kind of an important piece. And so I just found it, so I thought I would sit down and film this video really quick. It's a real quick one, just something I've been thinking about a lot recently, and I've seen a few other people talk about it in the last few days, and I'm feeling encouraged and challenged. That is the idea of a no-buy. Now, I saw a few people do this for like the rest of the year, and I think that's what I'm gonna do. So from now, which today is October 2nd, I was trying to do this to have it out yesterday for October 1st, but like I said, filming's been weird lately. But I want to challenge myself to not buy makeup for the rest of the year. And the idea behind this for me is not necessarily that I don't want to buy more makeup. It's more so, I mean, I don't need any new makeup, that's for sure. But it's more so like a time thing for me. I am busy often, and I've noticed one of my go-to like coping mechanisms maybe for stress is shopping. And I will either go to the thrift store or go to like Ulta or Target and just like spend forever and ever looking at makeup. Now, makeup is really the only thing that I am like focusing in on for the rest of the year. I'm not purchasing, and it's just because I don't want to waste time. I know that might sound kind of weird, and I know a lot of people have been talking about not buying makeup because they want to use what's in their collection, which is great. Like, I also need to do that. But for me, like I said, it's more so, and I don't even spend like a ton of money on makeup like day to day. If I need something to like refill something, sure, I'm gonna spend some money, but if it's just like killing time shopping around buying makeup, I only really spend like $10 here and there. So it's nothing like major. It's just, I feel like it's wasting my time. So I want to challenge myself for the rest of the year not to buy makeup or like skincare, hair care, all that kind of stuff. I do have a few exceptions, those being one, BoxyCharm. I am still going to be subscribed to BoxyCharm because that's not a time thing. It gets sent to me, you know. And I love BoxyCharm. So I'm keeping BoxyCharm. Two, I need a new face scrub. So anything that needs to be like refilled, like that I actually need, I will purchase. The main one in that being, I know I need a new face scrub, and I just haven't been able to pick it up because I usually get a scrub from Lush, and I just haven't been close to a Lush recently, so I need to get that. And then also, this one's like, I'm like giving myself permission for this, but I don't know if it will happen. But I have been really wanting like a green eyeshadow palette. Not like bright green, but I want like a grungy green eyeshadow palette. The one that I've been thinking about buying is the Melt Cosmetics Gemini palette. Half of it is kind of like a warmish brown situation with kind of like some mustardy tones. And then the other half is like this like grungy green, and I love that. That's like my idea of like a wearable color. And so I've been really wanting that palette for a little while now, but it is quite expensive, and so I've been trying to find something that's similar to that, but not as expensive. And so I'm gonna keep an eye out for the next few months, and if I end up not finding anything, there's been like a few that I've been like close to buying, but if I end up finding anything, I'm gonna buy it. But if I don't end up finding anything, I'm gonna be putting that eyeshadow palette on my Christmas list, and if I don't get it for Christmas, I'll buy it after. And so either way, I need to just wait until the new year probably. But so that's my challenge for myself, and I have a Project Pan going on for the rest of the year. I mean, this whole year I've had a Project Pan going on, and I have a few other products that I really am wanting to finish up using. And so I need to actually work through my makeup, not just like a time or money issue as well, but just I need to work on my makeup. So sorry, this was kind of like a weird rushed video, but yeah, I need to go back to work, but I hope that makes sense. If you're interested in doing like a no buy or a low buy, which I guess mine would technically be like a low buy, let me know down below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Have you done one in the past? Any tips, advice? I feel like even before, like I started thinking about this like a week ago or so, and like I was like, okay, October 1st, not buying any more makeup. Like the days leading up to October 1st, I was like, what can I buy? I should go to Ulta, take a look. What can I buy? I didn't buy anything because I didn't need anything, and I'm proud of myself. But yeah, so if you have any thoughts, tips, tricks, leave them down below. But thank you so much for joining me today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe down below if you haven't already. I would love to have you around. And until next time, bye, guys.